Namaskar parents, good morning kids. How are you all? Hope you all are happy, safe at your home. My name is Sachal ma'am from New Era Global School. So first, start with prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes and start. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. So high, you can't get over it. So deep, you can't get under it. So wide, you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. Now rub your hands. Rub, 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 rub. Then put them on your eyes. Then slowly open your eyes. And now you feel fresh. Okay, so very good. So now today's session we start with phonic sound. A says A, B says B, C says K, D says D, E says A, F says F, G says G, H says H, I says E, J says J, K says K, L says L, M says N says O says O, P says P, Q says W, R says R, S says S, T says T, U says V says W, W says W, X says X, Y says Y, Z says Z. What is the phonic sound of Z? Z says Z. So, हमने क्या सीखा आज? Phonic sound. What did we learn? Phonic sound. So now, after letters A after B after C after D after E after F after G after H after I after J after K after L after M after N after O after P after Q after R after S after T after U after V after W after X after Y after Z. So ये हमने क्या सीखा? After letters A after B after C. हमने क्या सीखा? Letters के after मतलब A के after क्या आता है, B के after क्या आता है, right? So now revision time. So now first we learn which picture is this? Apple. Which letter is this? A. Which letter A is this? Capital letter A. Capital letter A, small letter A, and A says A. What is the phonic sound of A? A. Apple. letters A orally. So A after B. And what is the phonic sound of B? B. B. Ball. B. Boy. B. Bird. B. Boot. B. Bag. B. Bus. B. Bird. B says B. Capital letter B. Small letter B. B after C. B after C. And what is the phonic sound of C? C says K. K. Cat. K. Cookie. Crayon. Car. C for cloud. Capital letter C. Small letter C. C after D. And what is the phonic sound of D? D. What is the phonic sound of D? D. D says D. Capital letter D. Small letter D. D. Door. D. Day. D. Dinosaur. D. Dog. D says D. D says D. So which letter is this? D. So D after E. E says A. E says A. Capital letter E. Small letter E. Elephant. E for eyes. Egg. E for ears. E after F. And what is the phonic sound of F? Capital letter F. Small letter F. Fire. Fight. Fish. Frog. Feet. Flower. F for flower. And F says F after G. G for girl. G says G. Capital letter G. Small letter G. G. Girl. G. Grass. G. Go. G. Glue. What is the phonic sound of G? G. G after H. H says house, horse, heel, hammer. Capital letter H, small letter H. H after I. And I says I. What is the phonic sound of I? Ice cube. Igloo. I says I. So I after J. What is the phonic sound of J? J. J says J. Capital letter J, small letter J. Jack. Jump. Jacket. Jet. So after letter J, which letter we learn? Letter K. K says K. K says K. Kite. Kettle. Capital letter K, small letter K. What is the phonic sound of K? K. K after L. And what is the phonic sound of L? L. What is the phonic sound of L? L. L says L. Leaf. Look. Light. L says L. So L after and. Yes, yesterday we learned new letter, right? Yesterday what did we learn? We learned how to write small letter M. Yes. So how we write a small letter M? Standing line, downside curve, then another downside curve. Small letter M. M says Yesterday we learned small letter M in textbook. So today we learn how to write small letter in worksheet. M for monster, M for mouse, and M for mango. Very good. And M for monkey. Yes. M for mouse, M for mushroom, M for magnet, M for mat, M for mother, M for moon. Right? कितनी सारी चीजें हैं ना M से related. So now our revision is done. Now classwork time. A man, and message on Monday. A man message on Monday. Man मतलब आदमी. क्या किया आदमी ने? मैसेज किया कब? मंडे. और उसने क्या मैसेज किया? That many mangoes are meeting on the moon. मैन मैसेज ऑन मंडे. मैंने क्या किया? मैसेज किया that many mangoes मतलब ढेर सारे मैंगोज क्या कर रहे हैं? मीटिंग ऑन द मून. मीटिंग मीन्स जैसे कि हमने मीटिंग की थी ना अभी. मीटिंग मीन्स के मीटिंग होती है. मीन्स के एक दूसरे को मिले, उससे हम क्या बोलते हैं? मीटिंग ऑन मून. एंड मैनी मीन्स ढेर सारे monkeys आर सिटिंग ऑन द मैट. मैंने क्या मैसेज किया कब? मैंने मैसेज किया कब? मंडे को. और क्या? डेट मैनी मैंगोज आर मीटिंग ऑन अ मून मतलब बहुत सारे मैंगोज क्या कर रहे हैं? मून पे मीटिंग कर रहे हैं. एंड मैनी monkeys आर सिटिंग ऑन द मैट. एंड मैनी monkeys मतलब ढेर सारे बंदर कहाँ पे बैठे हैं? मैट पे. सो नाउ लेट्स learn the letter M. Let's learn the letter M. So today what did we learn? Today we learned. Yesterday what did we learn? Yesterday we learned how to write small letter M. So trace the letter and tear and paste yellow paper on a mango picture. So which picture is this? M for mango. What is the phonic sound of M? So first हमें क्या करना है? Take a yellow paper and then tear and paste. Tear मतलब हमें क्या करना है? First we tear the page. Tear the paper like this and then tear small pieces of paper like this. Tear like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So हमें क्या करना है? First we tear the paper like this. Tear the yellow paper. Tear the yellow paper. पेरेंट्स प्लीज ये टेयर अपने बच्चों को ही करने देना. लेट्स किड्स. सो नाउ अप्लाई फेविकॉल ऑन मैंगो. यहाँ पे मैं मेरी फिंगर यूज कर रही हूँ. आपको क्या यूज करना है? ईयरबड्स और आइसक्रीम स्टिक. अगर आपको अपनी फिंगर को नहीं डालना है फेविकॉल में तो like this. Then paste the yellow paper on a mango picture. Paste the yellow paper on a mango picture. कौन से पिक्चर पे हमें पेस्ट करना है? मैंगो के पिक्चर पे हमें पेस्ट करना है like this. Paste slowly. Paste the picture, paste the paper, paste the yellow paper on a mango. M for mango. Mango. We paste a paper. We paste a yellow paper. मैंगो कौन से कलर का होता है? येलो कलर का, राइट. सो हमें क्या करना है? मैंगो पे पेस्ट करना है येलो पेपर को. सो डन. सो अवर mango is ready, right? So now take green crayon and then color the leaf. L for leaves. M for mango, L for leaf. So now our activity is done. What we do? Tear and paste. हमने क्या किया? First हमने yellow paper को क्या किया? Tear किया, and then we paste on the picture of the mango, on the mango picture, right? So now classwork time. So kids, are you excited for today's classwork? Because now onwards we use a pencil. Yes, आज से हम क्या यूज करेंगे? पेंसिल. Yesterday मैंने आपको बोला था ना कि अब से हम पेंसिल यूज करेंगे. So now onwards we use pencil on our classwork. So now today's classwork is in English worksheet. जैसे कि हमने अभी एक्टिविटी की, tearing and pasting on a mango. So now trace the letter M. Which letter is this? Letter M. And M says So how we trace the small letter M? Standing line, then downside curve, then another downside curve. M says then again standing line, then slanting line, then another slanting line, then standing line. Capital letter M, and M says small letter M, capital letter M. Now find the letter. नीचे जो पिक्चर दी है उसमें से हमें क्या करना है? Find the letter M. Which letter हमें find करना है? Find the letter M. Which letter we find? Find the letter M. We find the letter M in the picture given below. Find the letter M in the picture given below and circle them and circle them. हमें क्या करना है? पहले पिक्चर्स में से लेटर्स को सर्च करना है and then circle on it. So which picture is this? M for moon. Moon. So circle the letter M. And for moon. M for mat. M for mat. Mat. Circle the letter M. M says M for monkey. M for monkey. Circle the letter M. M says M for monkey. So now our first page classwork is done. Now turn your page everyone. Trace and write the letter M. So first we trace in 2 lines and then we write it 1 line with the help of a pencil. हमें आज से क्या यूज करना है? Pencil. So shall we start? First trace. Between 2 blue lines make a standing line, then downside curve, then another downside curve. And says between 2 blue lines make a standing line, downside curve, and another downside curve. And says M for monkey, monkey. Standing line, downside curve, and another downside curve. M says mouse. M says standing line, downside curve, another downside curve. M for mouse. M for mat. Standing line, downside curve, then another downside curve. And for monkey. Standing line, downside curve, and for muffin. Standing line, downside curve, another downside curve, and for milk. Standing line, downside curve, So between two blue lines you make a standing line, then downside curve, then another downside curve, and says standing line, downside curve, then another downside curve, and says M for mouse, M for monkey, and says again standing line, downside curve, and for mouse. Now M for mouse, M for moon, M says standing line, downside curve, standing line, downside curve, standing line, downside curve. So our today's classwork is done. Trace and write the alphabet. Trace and write the alphabet M in all box in proper line for line formation with pencil and speak aloud. So हमें जैसे कि हमने आज का क्लास वर्क किया, सेम एज क्लास वर्क वी राइट टुडेज होमवर्क. So today's homework is in English worksheet. First trace the letter M and then write the letter M, right? So speak loudly and write the letter M. So hope you like today's classwork and homework. Thank you everyone. Enjoy your awesome day.